Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pierre from Brooks Kids Show. Today, remember last time I had 2 birds, but now I have 7. Look. The yellow one and the orange is lavanda, and the blue one and the white one is bamba, and the yellow and the black and white is Leon, and the one is Mikey. And this is Tyler and Jake.
Go.
And my dad got this bird and its name is Jake. My dad got this bird. It's on there. She's scared. And it's still a baby bird. So he needs to grow a lot. Bye. So that's it. I have 7 pet birds now. So bye-bye. Thanks for being awesome. And remember, never grow up. Like the video and click the bell and the button subscribe. Bye-bye.